Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: fuel above 50%, mobility mod active, and control bindings set. Start the engine with a short tap to avoid immediate overheat. This gives you a safe hover window. Once airborne, monitor the HUD fuel bar and heat gauge because those determine how long you can sustain thrust. Make sure to face away from cliffs or lava to prevent instant death on failure. These first actions set a stable baseline for more advanced maneuvers. Now you progress to controlled maneuvers. Use short boost bursts for lateral strafes and to reposition quickly. Once done with movement practice, chain boost into weapon strikes because momentum adds damage and keeps you airborne longer. Make sure to watch heat, alternating thrust with a brief glide to let temperature fall. Uncontrolled heating leads to forced shutdown. Also, practice vertical dodges to evade lock-ons. Those quick, timed inputs are the difference between escape and being pinned. Finish by staging your descent. Switch to hover mode and use brief taps to bleed altitude slowly. Once you hit around 10% fuel, deploy the landing stabilizer for a soft touchdown. After landing, repair damage with medkits and only perform large repairs under cover to avoid interruptions. If the jetpack fails mid-flight, immediately cut thrust, deploy the emergency chute, and steer toward open terrain. This prevents catastrophic impact. One troubleshooting tip: if auto restarts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.